Hello everyone, today topic is gestational diabetes. In gestational diabetes, there is insulin resistance at 24 to 28 weeks due to HPL hormone. In gestational diabetes, congenital malformation not seen because level of glucose increased only after 24 to 28 weeks of pregnancy. Diagnosis is by Diabetes in Pregnancy Study Group India DIPSI. There is no fasting needed whenever female pregnant came for ANC visit. Give her 75 grams of glucose and measure glucose level 2 hours after 2 hours. If glucose level is more than 140, labeled it as gestational diabetes. More than 200, over diabetes. 120 to 140, glucose intolerance. ATA guidelines for diagnosis of over diabetes. A1C should be more than 6.5% or fasting blood glucose more than 126 mg per deciliter. NEET PG 2019 question. 2-hour plasma glucose is more than 200 mg per deciliter after 75 gram oral glucose tolerance test, or patient with classical symptoms of hyperglycemia with a non-fasting plasma glucose more than 200 mg per deciliter. Overt diabetes. Most common congenital malformation is CVS more than CNS. In CVS, VHD and CNS, neural tube defect. Most specific cardiovascular anomaly is transposition of great arteries. Most specific congenital anomaly is caudal regression syndrome or sacral agenesis. Best predictive test is HbA1c. Best diagnostic test is level 2 ultrasound scan, TIFA scan. Target imaging for fetal anomaly done between 18 to 20 weeks. It is done in all pregnant females. Drug of choice for overt and gestational diabetes, both insulin. Overt diabetes, oral hypoglycemic agent is contraindicated. Treatment. First step in treatment is diet modification for 2 weeks and maintaining blood sugar. PP fasting less than 95, 1 hour 140 and 2 hour 120 mg per deciliter. Maintain HbA1c less than 6.5%. If goals not achieved within 2 weeks, put patient on insulin. In gestational diabetes, metformin glyburide can also be given. Metformin is a not teratogenic. Management plan. First is termination of pregnancy if controlled on diet. Second, controlled on insulin. Third is overt diabetes. Termination of pregnancy if controlled on diet more than or equal 39 weeks to 40 weeks plus 6 days. Controlled on insulin 39 weeks plus 6 days. Overt diabetes 37 weeks to 37 weeks plus 6 days. What should be time of termination of pregnancy of female with insulin dependent diabetes? Answer is 39 weeks. If not given in option, go for 40 weeks. But why not 38 weeks? Because at 38 weeks, neonatal morbidity rate is higher. If hypertension also present, termination of pregnancy prior to 39 weeks is recommended. Thank you.